Hi guys, it's me. If you want to get the BenQ SW272U 27-inch 4K monitor, the link is in the description. This monitor is one of the most versatile and color-accurate displays available for creators who need precision and reliability. From photographers and graphic designers to video editors, this panel has features that make serious creative work easier and more consistent. The first thing that stands out is the 4K resolution on a 27-inch screen. It strikes a perfect balance between sharpness and usability. Fine details in high-resolution photos and videos are clear without making interface elements too small. The panel's color reproduction is impressive. With 99% Adobe RGB and 100% sRGB coverage, the colors appear true to life. Gradients are smooth and natural thanks to the 16-bit 3D LUT, reducing banding and providing professional-level accuracy. This makes editing photos, retouching portraits, or color grading video a more confident experience. The TUV-certified anti-reflection coating is a subtle but important feature. In bright rooms or near windows, glare is minimized without affecting the vibrancy of the display. Unlike some matte screens that flatten colors, this monitor keeps contrast and saturation intact while cutting reflections that can interfere with critical work. You can focus on what matters: the content on the screen. Connectivity is simple and elegant. The USB-C port delivers up to 90 W power while simultaneously handling video, data, and audio. For MacBook and Windows users alike, this means one cable can power a laptop and display your workspace cleanly, eliminating extra chargers and dongles. It's a small feature that significantly improves workflow and keeps the desk organized. The Wireless Hotkey Puck is a standout for efficiency. Switching between different color profiles like Adobe RGB, sRGB, or black and white can be done instantly, reducing interruptions and making the editing process smoother. Instead of navigating menus, a simple rotation or press allows for quick adjustments. This is especially useful when moving between different tasks or preparing images for multiple platforms. Ergonomics are thoughtfully designed. The monitor stand allows height, tilt, swivel, and pivot adjustments so it can be positioned precisely for your comfort. Rotating the display to portrait orientation is smooth and ideal for vertical content editing or reviewing long documents. Build quality is solid, giving the impression that the monitor is designed for long-term use and consistent performance. Hardware calibration support is essential for those working in color-critical environments. Using BenQ software and a compatible calibrator, this monitor maintains precise color accuracy over time. Once calibrated, there's no guesswork. Every image and video is displayed as intended, which is crucial for photographers, editors, and designers who need consistency across projects and devices. Watching content on this panel is accurate rather than artificially enhanced. Colors remain neutral, contrast is controlled, and the display doesn't exaggerate saturation. This means that while images and video look rich, what you see is truly what you captured, allowing for precise adjustments in editing workflows. The uniformity across the screen is remarkable. Corners don't dim, colors don't shift, and brightness remains consistent throughout the workspace. Overall, this monitor is aimed at creative professionals who demand reliable, precise, and efficient tools. It's not a gaming display or an entertainment monitor. It's built for anyone who needs true color fidelity, smooth gradients, and excellent ergonomics. Whether you're editing photographs, working on graphic design, grading video, or producing digital content, the BenQ SW272U provides the features and accuracy to make professional work easier and more productive. For anyone looking to elevate their creative setup, the BenQ SW272U is a serious contender. Its combination of 4K resolution, wide color gamut, USB-C power delivery, and hardware calibration makes it a complete package for professionals. The Wireless Hotkey Puck, ergonomic stand, and anti-reflective screen enhance daily workflow, creating a seamless editing experience. If you want to explore or purchase the BenQ SW272U, the link is available in the description. It's a monitor that's designed to last and built to support your creative workflow from day one.